This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Colette Nishimura. Turnkey Makakilo Delight. Pool, park and ocean views. You'll love the carefree maintenance lifestyle with your own private oasis designed for total comfort with amenities and peace of mind. Nestled in a cul-de-sac, you'll first notice tall ceilings, high windows and pool with ocean view and ships passing by. Remodeled open kitchen, living room, bathrooms and flooring. This efficient oasis comes with its own microgrid power system, level 2 of charger and transferrable NEM agreement. 45 owned PV panels and 2 Tesla whole home batteries means no power outages or outrageous electric bills. Vinyl siding, clad trim, and new vinyl fence means you'll have time to relax in your inground 15,000-gallon saltwater pool and spa with family.